Starting with the driver's side, the car is a little bit dirty, but I'll go ahead and point out any major scratches or there is any damage, which there is not. There's just a little bit of scratch right there on the dark paint. You can kind of see it right into the door, but it's not real deep. Little tiny scratch down there. Driver's side fender. So this does have one of those guards on it, that plastic rock chip type guard. I don't know if you can kind of see it there, but it does have a little bit of scuffs in it. It's doing its job, protecting the front. A few little rock chips in it on the front there. Kind of see right here where that plastic is lifting. That's not on the actual car. The hood is in good condition, no dents or dings on the hood. Passenger side here looks really nice, no big scratches or anything like that, no dents. Coming around the back, bumper is clear of any scratches or bumps or dings. A little scuff there. Check out the windshield here. It's free of any chips or cracks. I wanted to show you condition of the tires. They're pretty good. Quite a bit of tread left on them. Got tread marks in there. As far as the interior is concerned, this car is very nice. No signs of tears or rips on the leather. This is the passenger side here. Coming through the middle here. No holes on the center console there. No scratches. No major wear marks on the column there. The screen here is very nice. No scratches on that either. It's where the navigation will be displayed. There's the driver's seat. No scratches or tears in that seat. A little bit of wear, but not anything to be concerned about. People sliding in and out of the car. It's actually in really nice condition. The dash does not have any scratches or tears in it either. Check out the back seat. Back seats are good, no tears, scrapes. And there are no funny smells in here. It doesn't smell like pets, doesn't smell like smoke. Show you, carpet is nice and clean. These mats are pretty nice. All right, Steve, hopefully that gives you a little better idea of condition of the car. It's very nice. And if you have any questions, please contact us here at the dealership, 208-263-2138. Thanks.